Hey everyone, it's Dr. Evans here from Sugarland Medical Spa. Today I'm going to be talking to you about how to move like an athlete, okay? Just like Saquon. And granted, this has to do with, even though you may not be an Eagles fan, if you are a sports fan, you have all the appreciation for how they move. I mean, you got guys that are like 300-pound refrigerators that are just running down to the end zone. I mean, it is just amazing to watch. So it's like, how can you feel better and do better in your workouts and in your everyday life? And I have a tip for you to help you look and feel your best. So stay tuned to find out more. Hey everyone, it's Dr. Evans here from Sugarland Medical Spa. I specialize in sexual wellness as well as health for men as well as women. And I am here to help you look and feel your best at all times. So if you are, hopefully you're not living underneath a rock, you are out there and you are aware that there is a Super Bowl that is going to be happening soon. So I just want to let you know some pretty exciting things. So even if you are not an athlete, even if you're not an Eagles fan, it's a-okay. I just want to let you know, if you love sports, you have to love and truly appreciate the love of the game and the love of just watching people do their total best. I mean, live their best, be the best in their bodies, like just really push it to the edge. I mean, you gotta appreciate that. So I just want to let you know, there are things that are out there that can help you look and feel your best at any age. Because I tell all my patients all the time, we cannot stop the aging process, but guess what? There's stuff out there that can help you be the best at who you are. And what I'm talking about is a little bit of BioT testosterone therapy. And granted, there are other ways to deliver your testosterone therapy. Testosterone therapy is something that's really cool. Available preparations include things like injection therapy, which can be weekly. You can do creams that can be daily. And again, this is for men as well as women. Or you can consider something like the BioT hormone balancing therapy. This is something that can last 3 to 4 months for women, or it can last 4 to 6 months for men. It just really depends on who that person is, what their age is, how they metabolize the hormone, things like that. So there's benefits to bioidentical hormone therapy because simply you look and you feel better. And what are some of those benefits of testosterone therapy? And do know that testosterone therapy is different for men as well as women. Even though it's pure testosterone, women need about 1/10 of a dose that men need, okay? So how do you look and feel your best with testosterone therapy? First of all, testosterone therapy helps with increasing things like your bone density, so you just feel stronger. So it's very common as we get older, we feel a little bit more fragile, we worry a little bit more about broken bones and things like that. Well, the testosterone therapy can help increase that bone density, help you feel more solid. And guess what? If you feel more solid, then you feel out, guess what? You feel like working those muscles a little bit more to feel even better. It can also help you increase your lean muscle mass. This helps with your physique, the way you feel, the way that you actually stand and things like that. So if you look better, you feel better, you're standing up straighter, guess what? You have more confidence to look and feel your best again. And another thing it also improves on is mood. I cannot tell you how many people come in, I'll tease our little ladies about this, because literally your mood can change, especially during menopause. And if you can actually get just that little bit of testosterone therapy to kind of even things out, even people that normally get to you, they don't get to you anymore. I mean, it's just like amazing the things that it can do for my patients, the things that I've seen for my patients to do. And realize it can affect each and every patient a little bit differently, but usually 9 times out of 10, the benefits of the therapy far outweigh any of the risk of the therapy. The other thing it helps you out with is with your sexual function. So I have some guys that come talk to me and they're basically like, I am at home and I am not in the mood. I see my beautiful lady there, she may be wearing whatever, and I just really want to just take a nap when I get home. And that, life should not be like that. You guys should be getting closer and closer as you age and feeling better and better as you age. So increasing that libido, that's another thing that testosterone therapy can help you with. That's the thing, again, that helps you get to the bedroom, and also including too, it helps increase blood flow to the genitalia. So things such as stronger erections, things such as better orgasms, more increased vaginal moisture, those are some of the things that we lose as getting older that testosterone therapy can actually help you out with. Another thing that testosterone therapy can help you out with is actually energy. I mean, imagine getting home from work and then still having energy to actually help interact with the family and feel better with the family. Interact with the kids, get some things done around the house. Even on the weekends, you want to get some more stuff done. I mean, it's just, how cool is that? You don't really want to be the one who just comes home and just sits. Usually if that happens, again, that leads to more of that sedentary lifestyle. And when we have that sedentary lifestyle, that can lead to health risk and other health problems like cardiovascular disease and stuff like that. that. So you really, really want to be your best at all times. And then finally, the biggest thing that can help you out with is actually sleep. So again, I tell most of my people too, especially my ladies that may suffer from hot flashes at night and they're tossing and turning and they can't just figure out why they can't get a good night's sleep. Testosterone therapy is wonderful in that it can actually help you get like a deeper sleep. So if you're getting a deeper sleep, guess what? You wake up feeling a lot better. Your mood is better. Your overall outlook is better. You'll have hopefully a little bit more energy and you'll be able to do more things with your honeypot. People that matter the most. So I just want to let you know that how this therapy can definitely help you look and feel your very best. In addition, how it can really, really just help you increase and be the best you. I mean, if you're activating those lean muscle masses, you're moving better. It has anti-inflammatory properties in there, so people actually hurt less. You know, like that thing when you get up in the morning and you're moving and your muscles are aching and things like that. This can help you recover faster. So it has all these health benefits that are out there. So yes, this is Dr. Evans tuning in here. I just want to let you know, yes, you may not be able to move exactly like Saquon Barkley, but you know what though? If you have the mood and desire to just feel better and be a better you and have a better outlook on life and just feel better, your muscles feel better, to really develop yourself and tone out and just be, again, the best you that you can be at any age. Because I mean, honestly, in my practice, I have some 60-year-old men that are walking around and they are strutting around, these little 40-year-old guys, and they're killing on the basketball court or really whatever sport they're doing. So I just want to let you know there are huge benefits to testosterone therapy. The best way to find out if this is right for you would just be simply come in for a consultation. Let's run your blood work, see where your levels are, and we can actually go from there. So please feel free to tune in to find out more. Our website is www.sugarlandmedspa.com. Come in for a consultation. We can definitely check your labs and see, where you're at and exactly decide how this therapy can be very, very beneficial for you. So again, I'm Dr. Evans. I specialize in sexual wellness as well as regenerative therapy for both men as well as women. You can find out more information on our website, www.sugarlandmedspa.com. And don't forget to hit that like or that subscribe button to actually find out more. And if you've been watching this whole time and you're Eagles fan, I have a special treat for you, because no, Dr. Evans is not someone who will actually go run up, this is why they have to grease the poles, the light poles in Philadelphia. So I'm not crazy enough to actually try to get up the flagpole, especially if they win the Super Bowl. But I will tell you, for all of my Eagles fans out there, because Dr. Evans loves you, I just want to say, fly, Eagles, fly. On the road to victory. EAGLES, Eagles. Take care and good luck on game day.